Do you want a stylized water that's easy to implement and completely free? Well, you are in the right place. I found a simple and fast way to achieve this just in a few clicks. We'll use the UEFI water system with a little tweak that enhances the stylized look of the water surface. We'll adjust the color, the wave movement and the foam settings. It's so easy you won't believe your eyes, and also if you want all the scene, just download it, link below. So, let's get started! Alright, so just go to the plugin settings in UE5 and enable the water plugin. Here just type water and select water body custom. That's a plane, just scale it a little bit, and here under this material you can find this path. So just go under materials, water surface, and here you can find all the material instances. This one is for the body custom that we just imported earlier, and here you can see that we can change the color of the water with these settings, and by tweaking the RGB settings we can choose different type of gradients, like this one, more greenish water. And here you can find the master material, and we'll add a simple code just under this node, the beach foam. Double click. So this is the entire foam system built in Unreal Engine, and we will not use that. We'll just create this, and that's our cartoonish foam. So just create a distance to nearest surface node, a scalar parameter, just S plus left mouse button, a divide to a -1. This one is 1 minus. Let's add an add node with a time value, a second scalar parameter, speed, to a multiply, to a sine node, and an add with a noise. Set these values, 0.01, simple texture based, 2, and so on. To a clamp, so again this one, and we'll create a third scalar parameter, precisely shore expansion, to a divide, to another 1 minus, and here a power node with this last scalar parameter, shading foam. Alright, so leave the clamp minimum to 0, to a multiply, and then a saturate. So the last parameter is a color connected to a lerp on the letter B. Just promote it to a parameter, and so we have to plug in all on the emissive color. So this setting is the default UE5 water foam system. We have to plug the multiply into the letter A of our lerp and connect the lerp onto the emissive color. Alright, so here you can see that on the material instance we have our settings to have, for example, shading of the foam, an expansion in this case of the foam, and we can change the width of the effect, and also the speed So, so let's just say you want a more dynamic scene. You can increase this setting. And here we have the foam color. So just play a little bit with this. So for example, if I want a very gray tone that's almost invisible, let's just say maybe a green. Let's see, yes. You can change the appearance of the foam in that way. And here under our water body custom, we can add some movement that will give the scene a really nice effect. So just play until you have what you want. Alright, so we are near the end of the tutorial. That was very easy. It's completely free. You do not have to pay anything. And I know water system can be very expensive sometimes. If you want a more detailed technical explanation of the foam that we just created, I can advise you to go see this tutorial. That was my main inspiration for the foam. And I just added some little parameters to tweak the foam shading and the color. So, I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Bye!